Hi friends, have you ever made a Japanese style curry? Today I'm making Japanese style curry from my mom's recipe. So join me cooking and I'll show you how my mom makes it. After you cut every veggie, I use pressure cooker, putting everything into this pot and adding a can of tuna and tomato. My mom just told me that I shouldn't put some water before cooking veggie. Move on to next dish, open style croquette. We use onions, minced meat, mashed potatoes, some panko and cheese. Thank you for watching this video until this end. I hope you enjoyed this cooking video. You can check the recipe and ingredients in the caption below. Enjoy and I'll see you next video. Bye!